What's up guys, and guess who's back with some exclusive never before seen Galaxy S22 Ultra leaks. Yes, some exclusive stuff just for you guys, so smash that subscribe button cause I'm about to blow your mind. Today we'll be diving into some crazy S22 Ultra features which will surely blow your mind. After letting the world know about super clear lens, now I bring you supernatural handwriting. Yes, Samsung is bringing a supernatural handwriting experience with the S22 Ultra with a mind-blowing 2.8 millisecond delay, which just sounds super ridiculous compared to the measly 9 millisecond delay of the Note 20 Ultra. According to the info, and I quote, this is going to be the fastest, most realistic S Pen experience with 3x improved pen latency. This is gonna literally feel like writing on a paper, in fact even better than a paper because the display is such a beauty. Let me know if you're excited for this. Now moving on to the next mind-blowing feature. For the first time ever, Samsung will bring 12-bit HDR technology to the Galaxy S22 Ultra's main 108 megapixel camera. Yes, the 12-bit HDR is set to bring 64 times more vivid colors in videos and photos than the 10-bit HDR you see on the iPhone 13 series. This is quite possibly the first smartphone to do this. The 12-bit HDR is said to be exclusive to the main lens on the S22 Ultra, which is again the 108 megapixel ISOCELL HM3. As for the 12-bit HDR video, they're only supported up to 4K 30 FPS or Full HD 30 FPS. Maybe Samsung will unlock higher frame rate option after the launch with a software update, but this is the information we have right now. Let me know what you think about these two massive new features coming to the S22 Ultra. Again, I'll keep you guys in the loop as soon as I get more info. Also in the news, this is something that I predicted, and it seems like Samsung will actually bring the One UI 4.1 with the S22 series exclusively at the launch. This was recently confirmed in the new series of leaks. This also confirms the naming, which is now officially the Galaxy S22 Ultra, not S22 Note. Samsung is sticking with the Ultra moniker, and as for the standard models, it's gonna be Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus. Now furthermore, that crazy 1750 nits brightness display of the S22 Ultra is not just exclusive to the Ultra, it will actually be coming to the S22 Plus as well, as further reported by Sam Mobile. Furthermore, they have mentioned that S22 displays will have great contrast, brightness levels, and color reproduction. In fact, this new AMOLED display is said to offer 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, which should guarantee an experience unlike any other phone when watching HDR content. Now last but certainly not the least, this is gonna make everyone really happy. An upgrade that was on hold for so long. Finally, 45-watt fast charging is officially coming to the S22 Ultra. What you're looking at right now is the official fast charger that Samsung will be offering for its Galaxy S22 Ultra and S22 Plus, so that you can unlock that super fast speed. Now again, this is not crazy like 100 watt or even 80 watt that we're gonna see on the OnePlus 10 Pro, but still it's gonna be plenty enough for majority of users out there, and hopefully Samsung can optimize this experience for maximum battery longevity as well. And in case you forgot, you will obviously have to buy this charger separately to bring that ultimate holy flash charge on Thai Galaxy. That's all for today. Let me know what you think about the groundbreaking 2.8 millisecond delay that's coming with the S22 Ultra's S Pen for the first time ever, bringing you the supernatural handwriting experience. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe with notifications on. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.